Hey friends, welcome to the House of Jen. Today's video is a little different because I usually do flower arranging. Occasionally I'll do a declutter video, but man, do I have some declutter tips for you. I don't know about you, but I always end up feeling overwhelmed when I start decluttering. And when I declutter, I typically just go to my trusty old box and fill it up with household decor that I am no longer using for a donate pile. Of course, donations and trash are the two classic containers that we think of with decluttering. But I am also realizing there are other categories. There are lots of methods that you can use for decluttering, but the tip that works best for me is just to go by category. So let's tackle 5 categories. And my goodness, I am going to tell you how I felt, the emotions and the thought processes that ended up swirling through my mind after I did each one of these items. So maybe you can relate, and let's get decluttering. This is just a small sample of the many DVDs we have accumulated over the years. So I must say, decluttering the DVDs took some time, but look how much space all of the containers were taking up. So once you have that big compartmental case and you're putting in each little sleeve, you have saved so much space. I cannot believe all of this was like in an entertainment kind of center, which we got rid of, or I don't know, years ago, but I still had all of the little containers, and look how much space. You know, some of the titles, it was kind of hard. I was like, oh, because you're going through each one of them and you're remembering all the fun memories, but you got your space back. So keep in mind your original goal when you are decluttering. So this is an easy one, and I want you to go and look at your bath towels, whether you keep it in a linen closet or in your closet. If your bath towels have seen better days, why not get rid of it? It's not an emotional decision. You can just look at it if it's worn out. And do we really need like 15 bath towels? I mean, causing a lot of space, a lot of extra wash, a lot of clutter. So get your bath towels, and while you're at it, your little, washcloths too. And that's not going to take very long. It may take 5 minutes or less. Fun declutter tip. Go do it. If you don't have magazines, insert books for this item. It's easy and relaxing and does not take a lot of time at all. The other item that you need to declutter in your house right now is whatever you have a lot of that you simply just don't care for anymore. And for me, that is purses. I have a lot of purses, and some of them are still good, but I just don't care for them anymore. Like I usually am that person that has one purse that I wear for half the year and another purse for the other half the year. And these are just not functional. This is super cute. I hope somebody loves it, but I can't fit a lot in there, and it's just, I'm not going to use it. So hopefully somebody else can, but I plan on getting a new purse, and whatever you have, just close your eyes, think about whatever you have a bunch of that you're just not using. I do like this. I'm going to keep this one. So that is your next item to look in your house. And one more item to declutter in your house is, for me, it's nail polishes. But it can be something like nail polishes, something that you just have a ton of for no particular reason because you accumulate different colors. It could be makeup, it could be lotions, it could be the little body spritzers, but you have a ton of them and they're taking up valuable square feet in your little cabinets, valuable little real estate space. And for me, I don't even like do my fingernails anymore. When I was younger, I loved to do them, but to be honest, I'm cleaning and stuff a lot. And so I'm active throughout the day. I like to lift weights, I like to exercise. And so they get in my way. And so the only time I'm actually going to use nail polish is really for my toes. And you know, I probably would be more fun to get a pedicure, but some of these guys, like, I can't even open some of these, okay? And I'm still holding on to them. So decluttering nail polishes, things that you just don't even use anymore. So I hope this gave you some fun, tangible item ideas. And when you are specific and you just go do it, like right now, go do it. Go declutter. You'll feel so much better because for me, it's that one day mentality. And we all need to shake off that one day mentality and simply find something specific and declutter now. You will thank yourself. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and hope you have a great day.